Hey guys, Francisco Marcon here at Steven Toyota. Give me a quick how-to video on setting up the Bluetooth in your vehicle. Okay, first step is we go to settings on your phone, scroll down to Bluetooth, make sure the Bluetooth is on. Now we go to settings on the vehicle, click on Bluetooth, press add. It's going to search for your phone. So once it comes up on here, just click on Toyota Highlander. Now you must allow it to sync. It's going to ask you. So it's connecting right now to the Bluetooth. It's going to ask you if you want to allow messages to be seen on the vehicle. So to set that up, you just click on this little eye right here. Click show notifications. And then once this shows up, you just press OK. And boom, your Bluetooth is now hooked up.